Hello. Today I'm going to discuss the most important organ to lose weight. Because if this organ is not clean and doesn't work properly, you won't even start losing weight. Your liver. And on top of that, your liver will have to eat twice the fat you are going to lose. I'll tell you why now. In the previous video, remember, your microblood circulation will suck the fat, bring the fat to the liver transforms the fat into glycogen, and the glycogen is the fuel which is combusted by your muscles and your brain. And as any combustion, there are combustion wastes, and these wastes are brought back to the liver for evacuation. So your liver is going to eat the fat twice. If you want to lose 2 kilos per month, your liver will eat 4 kilos. And that's too much. That's how we produce foie gras in France. You take a duck, a small liver like that, and you stuff the duck. Quickly, the duck cannot process more food. The liver is fatty, in fact. And in order to keep on working, this liver, this small liver, produces a new piece of liver. You keep on stuffing, produces a new piece of liver. And that's how you transform a small liver into a Christmas foie gras. And it is the same for us humans. And that's why if your liver is not clean, it will not be able to process the fat and will create a new piece of liver. So the fat you are going to lose from your legs is going to be stored inside your liver, which is not losing weight, it's just transporting fat. How to clean a liver? There's a everyday routine to add to the black psyllium seed and the probiotics. It's artichokes, Jacques. Artichokes is the plant to clean your liver. So start as quick as possible. That will transform your skin. You will feel lighter, your digestion will be lighter. So artichokes, one in the morning, one at lunchtime, one in the dinner, has to be part of your daily routine. And in 3 weeks' time, I will talk to you about the Dr. Clark's cure, which is a complete rejuvenating cure for your liver. But it's too early now. You have to start cleaning it. And as soon as it will be clean, you will start losing weight, remember. So enjoy the rest of the day and see you tomorrow.